Hey guys, what is going on? It's Sean from Market Alert, giving you daily market alerts as to what is happening in the market. And today, like any other day, we're seeing a lot of green. That looks very promising considering this whole coronavirus pandemic we're facing right now, right guys? Well, maybe not so much. I mean, we've been getting a lot of comments to talk about this stock in particular named Zoom Video Communications Inc. and whether or not it's a really good buying opportunity. So before we get into today's video, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. It shows our videos to more people, which is always good to see because we're really just trying to grow this channel. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We'll be definitely making more videos just like this, talking about stocks. And if you have anything that you want us to review, be sure to also leave that in the comments below. And let's get right into today's video. So Zoom Video Communications Inc. So unless you've been living under a rock, I'm pretty sure you know what Zoom is. Zoom has been in the news quite a lot. Just because everyone has been using it. I've seen churches use it, I've seen universities use it, I've seen just about everyone use Zoom, and as you can see, it's slightly down today, down 3 to about 2% currently. It's changing as I am making this video, but if you have a look at the historical data, it has definitely been hanging around from $120 to about $146, or $145 I should say at this point in time. But the financials of this company is very, very interesting to look at. I mean, if we have a look at 2018, they only had a gross profit of like 120 million. And then after that, it's definitely been accelerating. And because of this whole coronavirus and because of how many people are using Zoom, this has definitely made some massive headways forward. So is it a really good buying opportunity right now? Well, I'm sure if you're seeing the news, you're probably really confused about if Zoom is actually safe. I mean, India says like video conference app Zoom is not safe. They've actually told the government to stay away from this company named Zoom because there has been a lot of issues with hacking, security flaws, people hacking the camera and things of that nature. However, Zoom has also made some massive headways forwards, so they've actually been seeking experts to improve the security of Zoom, highest experts who cut their teeth at the tech giant. So basically they are looking to employ some really big people in place to sort this out. But, I'm not really surprised about Zoom, honestly, because Zoom has actually grown so fast in a very short period of time. They didn't really have the infrastructure to sort security. I mean, like, if you look at any tech company during this early stages of growth, they've always had issues, either issues with security, either issues with the platform, so it's pretty normal for this to happen. But I definitely think that just looking at the financials, I mean, if you look at the operating profit, you look at the gross profit, you look at cost of revenue, you look at all these things into place, Zoom definitely has a fruitful future. But the only thing I'm kind of worried about with Zoom is there's nothing really proprietary about Zoom. I mean, if you use Skype, you can obviously video call people. I mean, Zoom definitely has a better interface compared to all these other applications, such as like Skype and like Facebook videos and things of that nature. However, I definitely think that they're going to have to make this a little bit more enticing, if they really want to see this really go forward. And I'm also curious to know, after this whole coronavirus pandemic, if there will be any like people that will drop off because of, do you really need to use Zoom now, like once the whole coronavirus pandemic is over? That's something also to keep in mind. But just looking at the overall financials and just looking at the tech company in general, I think it's at a very young stage of its life. I mean, it definitely has a promising like move forward. Right now it's fluctuating a lot. No one really knows how to evaluate Zoom right now. Because, it's been overhyped. A lot of people have been using it, and of course they haven't sorted the security things, but I definitely think, the security things are just small issues that will be sorted later on in time. It's definitely going to take it's a process in place because you have to sort the actual, infrastructure behind it. You got to make sure that the platform is secure. You got to make sure that it is stable enough to hold all these users, which not many people are used to. I mean, if you look at TikTok and Facebook, they've recently crashed because there's been so many people on the site. I'm surprised Zoom has not crashed during this entire time. The only issues they've really had has been security. And as long as they are looking to fix this, I definitely think that this company has a fruitful move forward, especially looking at the price that it is right now. I can definitely see the stock being at about $300 to about $400. But that is just my overall analysis on the stock and looking at the fundamentals of it. I'd really like to know, what do you guys think about Zoom? Do you guys think it's a flawed business? Are you guys investing in it? Leave a comment below, let me know what you guys are doing, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video, and I will catch you guys on the next video.